Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a Dior, Miss Dior flat and this is in size medium. So starting from the top, we've got the adjustable chain strap. You can have that as a long or a short chain. On the back, we've got one zipped flat pocket. See in there, that's got that pink, baby pink leather lining. And it's in, the main part of the bag is in this quilted leather as well. On the front we've got the Dior push lock, so I open that up and show you the inside, flat closure inside, and I really love that it's got that kind of contrasting baby pink lining. It's really cute. So that's leather as well on the inside, and then just at the back here we've got a flat pocket, one big flat pocket across the back. We've got one open pocket, and then we've just got one nice big spacey compartment in there as well. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. As you can see, along these sides here, it's kind of got some creasing. And there's a little bit of creasing along the front as well, just perhaps from where it's been stored, but there's no marks or stains for me to show you on this leather. It's still in very nice condition. There's perhaps just some areas where it's gone a little bit more, not sure whether you can tell on the camera, but just a little bit more dull in the shinier parts, perhaps on the front. And then I'll show you the corners as well, because they all look very nice. They're still in lovely condition. So the interior we've called good again. As you can see, and there's just that bit of creasing from where the flap's been closed. But inside, that leather lining, that baby pink leather lining, looks really nice still. There's just one very small little mark, and I'll just try and get it at an angle so you can see it on the camera. Can you see there? Just a tiny little mark there, but other than that, the lining is pristine. Hardware we've called very good. As you can see, it's kind of this dark silver kind of colour, and it's still very nice and shiny, especially on the straps, the handles. Sorry. But just on the front, on this lock, there's a tiny like hairline scratches just on this lock at the front, which is why we've called it very good rather than excellent, but really not noticeable at all. The rest of the hardware is lovely and shiny. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any new bags that we bring out on our YouTube. What else can I tell you about this bag? It also comes with the Dior dust bag to keep it protected. If you want to know the exact measurements of this bag, then go to the link in the description below. Hopefully it should take you directly to this Dior. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we can get you on our request list, which you do by just filling out a contact form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag, and we'll get you on our email request list, which means we'll get an alert. You'll get an alert every time we have a new bag like this through the door. And that applies to any bag that you like as well, whether it's Mulberry or Gucci or Saint Laurent, Chanel, whatever it is, let us know and we'll get you on our request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. I am a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with the long strap, you can wear it as a crossbody, and it sits just there quite nicely. Or you can also have it with the short strap as a shoulder, and I think I prefer it a little bit like this. I think on the shoulder it gives me kind of naughty's it girl vibes, but yeah, this is a very cool bag. I like this, especially on the shoulder. So for more info on the bag, don't forget to go to our website. As I said, link in the description below should hopefully take you directly to this bag. Also on our website you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter, and if you do that you'll be able to get your welcome discount code. So I recommend you sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your discount code in your email so you can use that on your first purchase. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. You'll find it just at the tabs at the top of the page. So if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy, then don't forget to go to that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us on there. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.